にお知らせください。午前8時から午後9時まで、四条通りの東大路通りから烏丸通り間、河原町通りは、小駅通りから大路通り間は、車道の自転車通行が禁止されています。
前と付き合ってるの何年経った？ 9 年、10年だろ。15年以上前だな。もうちょっと町内会じゃなくてね、今週の。
So raise it up and down. That's how you deflect.
Adesso non tira capezzi con lei.
Whoa, sorry.
What is this?
Board.
Or not, or something like that.
Oh no, it's closing. Look. Here. No, this is this one.
それはいいとこであるね。ほら、それで千鳥がね、よくて、ね、親戚だった。
Okay, so now in Kyoto at night, just finished the zoo, went home for a bit of a sleep, and now I caught the train by myself. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much. It was only like 4 stops. Had to walk a bit. Now I'm just walking around she something. I'm so bad on names and memory. Just remember, Rob, the train station's that way if you want to get home. And I've only got 400 yen left on my card. So, anyway, this looks like downtown Kyoto. I was trying to look for you're supposed to go to the Gion district. I think that's where I am. I'm in the Gion something. But this doesn't look familiar either. I was expecting, you know, where the geishas walk to tea houses or something, but I think I got it all wrong. Anyway, this is where I am, and I'm not sure if I'll do any street photography because it's a bit wet. But you never know. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to go get a Starbucks coffee. I haven't had a good coffee all holiday. The hotel coffee is absolutely useless. Maybe this isn't any better, but at least it might have a cappuccino. Dying for a cappuccino. Starbucks, Rob, what are you doing? Okay, so I was feeling a bit homesick, so I've come to Macca's in Kyoto. I've got the teriyaki burger, so it's almost like, you know, authentic. Let's see what McDonald's like in Japan.
Oh, it's so good.